Everyone, stick with Us versus Herd. We're back with the watch list. If you're interested in videos like these and you're not yet a subscriber, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications when we post videos or go live, tap the bell. And if you want to join the UVH fan, links are below to our Discord along with our free option trading group on Facebook. We're going to get into the watch list here. Pretty crazy. First up, we're looking at ULTA. ULTA bombed on their earnings just now. On the top and bottom, they slashed their guidance, along with they missed on expectations for revenue and profit. So it's not looking good. Not looking good for ULTA here. What's kind of interesting and thinking about this is, tomorrow's Expiration Friday. So if you're trading it, definitely be careful. This thing's going to be swinging all over the place. Premium's going to be all over the place at open. So you probably want to wait till the dust settles and try to make a move here. But kind of what's interesting here is the move was only supposed to be a $23 move, and it's currently moved about 80, almost 80. We'll call it 70. So it's moved about 70 points here. So way beyond the expected move. Three to almost 4 times the expected move here. It looks like it wants to head lower on the conference call right now. So definitely going to be a mover. I mean, if you're looking at these, like the 300 calls, we're only going for $1. Which was a lot for a $23 expected move. These are going for $1, so they were pretty much going to be worthless tomorrow if it stayed within the expected move. But since it's beyond the expected move, these are going to, right now it's at what, 63. So these are going to be at, close to $40. $40 tomorrow, so $4,000 went to turn $1,000 into like 40. Same with like these down here, like the 285s. When we're going for 25 cents, they're going to be up to like $20, 18, $20 tomorrow. So like 25, 30 cents to a $2,000. That's just gonna be, these are gonna be up thousands. It's gonna be up huge. But what I'm more interested in, since that obviously I didn't have a position on this, is playing the swing, the trades as it's moving. So depending on where this goes, this could easily go back up to 300. It could come back down. It could go lower. If you're looking at the chart here, we're down here at like 265 area. It did hit a low earlier this year when we had the big sell-off, or at the end of last year, at 224. So it's got some room to go down. It also has some room to go up. So last time, it did go from like 310. Did drop to like 250, so maybe looking at like the 250 area. We'll see how many sellers there are and how many buyers are going to be tomorrow. So that's definitely, this stock is definitely going to be high on the list in terms of what I'm looking at. But you got to be very careful that you're not going to get the premium. I'm not going to put a position right at open. I might not even put a position like an hour in, until an hour in, because the premium is just going to be all over the place. This is going to be a wild stock to trade. Also, you want to look for liquidity, and some of these, they're pretty liquid today, but we'll see. Normally, ULTA isn't that liquid, so we'll see. I've traded in the past, been successful with it. There's going to be a lot of problems with the stock tomorrow, but there's going to be a lot of people that were long that are getting burned. They're going to panic sell. There's also going to be, in the options world, a lot of premium sellers that are going to get burned as well. They're going to be looking to exit and roll and do some crazy stuff. So that's why it's going to be crazy. So that's high on the list. Costco, for me, I traded this. I like where Costco's at. It's the pricing is good on the options. It's making some pretty nice swings here. Today it made a $6 swing. Intraday, we made some money when it bottomed up here and on the move up today. So I'm going to be looking at that tomorrow. Also, like on the 1-year chart, where it's sitting at 52-week highs here as well. So we'll see if we can get this push above 300 tomorrow, or if not, I wouldn't mind if it dropped down a little bit lower, down to like the 290 area, 288. So that's kind of what I'm looking for on Costco. And then with the China news. So what's kind of interesting about that is the, Trump and China. They said that they're trying, they're back at the table, whatever that means, and they want a calm resolution. However, nothing has happened yet. Markets obviously are rallying, but on SPY, the main thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is we're back at the top of this range here right now. So like the 293, 294 area. What was the high today? The high was like a little bit above 293. So let's call it 293.15. So like 293.15, we're back at the top. If you're looking at the 1 year chart, this is screaming short this. However, it could have a breakout. I'm more interested in it if it gets to like 295 to the 300 range for being long. So right now, I'm not looking to trade SPY. I'm just looking to be very cautious on it. There's a lot of good news right now. And what I mean by good news is it's kind of, it's flaky news. It's not great news. They've been doing this for over a year, where there's the constant cycle. Tariffs, the market tanks, trade talks are happening, market goes up, but no deal has ever been made. I don't know how many times I got to say this. I'm waiting for the day where I'm going to say, hey, the trade war is over, and the market rallies, but I don't know if that's going to happen in the near term. It might happen. I don't know if it's going to be Trump or the next president, or in Trump's second term if he gets reelected. I'm not sure. Nobody knows. But right now, it's kind of interesting if talks move the market that much. So that's why I'm a little bit hesitant right now. I'm not swinging any positions. I'm just going to be day trading tomorrow. Kind of what I'm looking for to get some nice runners tomorrow. Along with the China news, BABA is a big one, along with NVDA, because I don't know if you guys know this, but NVDA does get a lot of the revenue from China. I do like BABA above 170. Was really strong all day today. On the 1 year chart, if we can get above 175 to 180, definitely would be a nice range here. It ran from 165 to almost. Let's see, it went to almost 174. Oh, it did touch 174 today. So, we'll see how it goes. But there's definitely moved well. Wasn't too impressed with the end of the day sell off. It dropped like $2. So we'll see if we can get some swings in here. I'm looking for more, not really like a chart like this, but more of a chart like Costco for today. If I was going to be bullish on a stock, this would be more what I'm looking for, where the stock comes down to support and then it moves back up. It gapped up, came back down to support, then moved back up. That would be a lot more cleaner. Unlike today, like Roku, gapped up, but this makes it hard to trade intraday. You could have bought. If you bought the dips, you'd be okay, but it was really tight range after it kind of settled it in here. So if you didn't make your money in this area, it's just gonna be really choppy all day. So that's not really what I'm looking for. I am monitoring Roku right now because it's pushing 52-week highs again. So it's just been pushing 52-week highs pretty much every day. So I'll be looking for a swing in there. And then Netflix. Netflix, if you haven't been trading Netflix, you've noticed around the last couple weeks or so, right around the 300, 297 area, it's been selling off. Last time it was up here at 300, sold off hard, came back up here like 299, sold off, 297, sold off, and then today it almost tried to get to 300, but it just couldn't quite do it, and then it sold off in the end of the day. So, looks like it's gravitating towards 300. I'm not sure if it's going to gap up tomorrow, or we're going to gap down, or if we're just going to stay flat tomorrow to kill some premiums. They did suck some premium out today, so just be mindful of that. Premium did come down on most stocks today just because of the the VIX getting a lot lower today. So we'll see. We'll kind of see what's going on here in terms of VIX. VIX is still at 1850. So. We're not out of the woods yet. We're not full on bull yet. This could easily go away. Just be cautious. One tweet could spiral us down another 500 points in the Dow. Who knows what's going to happen. So that's why I've been trading very cautiously. Those are what's on my watch list right now. If you guys are trading anything, and if this video is of value to you, hit the like button. Definitely appreciate it. Let me know what you guys are trading below in the comments. I want to see what's going on. And I'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay green. It's always us versus herd.